This video chart presentation to Artio Global Investors brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. It's a New York Stock Exchange listed company trading our ticker ART. This chart popped up as a potential bottom play. See it closed up on Friday about 2%, 155,000 shares traded. But notably, it's holding a base around 226. As long as that base holds, this chart can stay in play. Now going back into May, seeing a long positive divergence going on, with histogram bars trending back towards zero, saying that potentially another bullish cross is going to happen with the MACD, giving signals this trend might be trying to go through a shift. Also noticing last time there was a PPO ADX pinch, stock did rise, adding about 60 cents a share. Set up once again with the PPO ADX pinch. It's not super deep, but again, in the long term, it is an ascending pinch, and that's something that I look for. Now with that, most of these indicators are going to be in oversold territory. MFIs are down low. Stock's been trading below its average price. The accumulation distribution is still trending down a little bit, but it does look like it's starting to see a little bit of buying pressure. And that can also be gauged by shaky money flow, which looks like it's trying to make higher lows, signaling that selling pressure could be subsiding a little bit. CCI bottom feeders will look for the break of negative 100 as the buy point, and it is trending that way right now. Full stow, of course, is in oversold territory. There's little bullish momentum in this play. In the tricks, it's a lagging indicator. It's still falling off right now. It's going to take some time for that to catch up if there is any upward pressure. The RSIs, they're a gauge of momentum coming out of oversold territory. Ultimately, I look for that break of 50 to try and go into some sort of bull mode. But as a bounce play, the RSIs are taking on a pretty nice look. Now, as I mentioned, this bottom support at 226 would have to hold as support. Otherwise, I'd probably just walk away from the play, wait for the chart to set back up again. Now, to the upside, this doesn't meet a whole lot of resistance until it gets up near $2.60. Now it's nearly a 10% rise, and I consider that a secondary resistance. I would think it would pick up a little bit more, up near 270, which was serving as resistance throughout October. And then beyond that, I'd come back up near this $3 mark, which was holding pretty firm as support for several months. Volume is pretty thin on this play. I see only about 150,000 shares trades on an average day. I'd like to see that volume pick up to show that people are taking some buying interest in this play, and to further help this trend shift happen, and for the stock to gain a little bit more momentum. But for a potential bounce play, it's lined up pretty nicely with Friday's close, and it's one we'll be keeping an eye on this week to see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the ART chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.